Hey guys, welcome to Mk2 Golf Stories. Today I want to share with you a little trick I've discovered for pushing in the piston on a brake caliper when you've pushed it out and you need to get it back on the wheel. So, super short video, super good little trick, no special tools required. Thanks to Stu W. Davies for this idea. Let's go. So like I say, you don't need any special tools for this. You just need a few spanners and your calipers. But first of all, let's take this little dude off. So what we're going to do is basically put it in there and then turn it. And by turning it, that'll force the piston back in to the caliper. So we need to make just the right gap. So get your spanner, pop it in there. It's because then it's just turning it. There you go, see that going in? Slowly. There you go. Let's go in slowly. Just go a bit more again. So as you turn it, that pushes it in. I've got more of a gap. Get the other brake pad on. Get a smaller screwdriver. Just get that wedged in there. Do the same thing. You can see that's opening it up. Get further down so you get a nice even pressure. You just keep doing that with bigger spanners until it's all the way in and you can get it back on your caliper. There you go. And that is now in. Much better. Pop our little cap on, pop this back on, and now we can get the caliper back on the brakes. So there you go, little short one. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have, give us a like, drop a subscribe, let us know in the comments down below. I'll see you in another video again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.